Hi, welcome to Anne Bonny Bags. My name is Uni. The pattern I'm going to show you today is a little zipper wallet called Zoya. So as you see, it's not very thick. It has a zipper all the way around and it has some pockets on the inside. Here are card slots, 10 card slot. Here's a divider. You could put cash in these pockets, and here's a coin pocket, and here is a slip pocket. This is a great way to use up your scraps. You can make it of fabric because this is interfaced with rubber foam and also a little piece of plastic. It's building plastic, and you can see it's very, you can bend it like that, but it gives really good strength to the wallet. It's also great for bottoms of tote bags and lids for bags. If you need the lid to be stiff because you're lifting something, that's perfect for that. I think it's perfect for bag making. It has a front and a back and a bottom. You can buy the pattern at annebonnybags.com. It's $6. Are you ready to see how we make this little wallet? Well, keep watching.